this video, I'll be showing you how to double crochet. I will be using US terms, so if you prefer UK terms, check the description below for a translation. So for double crochet, you will require 3 turning chains. So I have my working stitch and then 1, 2, 3 turning chains. And this is the stitch that we'll be working into first. So that's the 4th stitch from the hook. So for double crochet, you want to yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over again and pull through. Now you want to yarn over and just pull through 2, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2. That's your first double crochet. For the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull through, yarn over a 3rd time, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over a 4th time, pull through the last 2 loops. And you can start to see that it creates still a dense stitch, but it has a bit more open space within the stitch texture. So let's keep going. Yarn over, insert the hook into stitch, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the last 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, yarn over again, pull through the second 2. And we'll just continue that process all the way along this row until we get to the end of the row. Then for our last stitch, we want to make sure we do work into those last 2 strands as we have been doing all the way along. It might be a little bit tighter to get into this last one, but do the same process. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over again, pull through the first 2, then yarn over again and pull through the second 2. So you can see these are my single crochets, these are my half double crochets, and this is my first row of double crochet. So it's that little bit taller, there's a little bit more void space in between the stitches. And as mentioned at the beginning, you require 3 turning chains for double crochet. So we're going to chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. This is to allow for the additional height that you need for the double crochet. So you can see this is the double crochet stitches here. This is the half double crochet stitches here. They're just that little bit taller. And we're going to repeat that process back along the chain or back along the row. So we want to insert the hook into the 4th stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go yarn over into this first stitch, making sure that you're going through the front and the back loop all the time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. And again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and continue this process all the way along until you get to the end of the row. And then again, we're on the last stitch, so make sure you go through those 2, the front and the back loop, and repeat the exact same process as you have been. And then 1, 2, 3 turning chains and rotate your work. So you can see here, these are the double crochet stitches. They're quite tall. There's a fair amount of void space. Obviously for this piece of work I'm using quite a chunky needle, so it is a slightly looser weave. If you want to achieve a tighter stitch, then you can obviously size down your needle depending on the effect that you're going for. I quite like this look where there's quite a lot of void space within the stitches. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and come back for more crochet tutorials.